Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Your washer is equipped with an automatic load sensing feature that determines the amount of water used for each wash cycle. When the Start, Pause, Unlock button is pressed, the washer performs a self-test on the lid lock mechanism. The washer clicks as the lid locks and the basket makes a slight turn. Then, the lid unlocks briefly before locking again. Once the lid locks the second time, the washer uses short, slow spins to estimate the load size. These sensing spins may last for 2 to 3 minutes before water is added to the load. During this time, it's normal to hear the hum of these spins. If the sensing light is on, then the washer is working properly. Avoid opening the lid during the sensing process. Opening the lid causes the sensing process to start over when the washer is restarted. During the wash portion of the cycle, you can hear the motor turn the basket in short pulses to thoroughly wet the load. The washer moves the load briefly, pausing to allow water to soak into the load, and then resumes adding water. You may hear water flowing through the dispenser, adding detergent to the load.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product, or available online at www.maytag.com.